บาดพี่น้องฝนตกนะครับโอ้เบิ่งครับบาดคือว่าไปตกอยู่ตรงไหนตรงหน้าบ้านเฮาเนาะบ้านนี่คือว่าตกอยู่แถวนี้เนาะโอ้ my god Ruth have a look yes it's heavy rainโอ้เดตกหนังครับปาดวีอะตกแห้งอีหลีมันที่สู้ไม่เบิ่งน่ะอุ้ยเอาครับเบิ้งบานี่ฝาทะลุแน่เลยแย่เอาหนีไปใส่ประเด็นนั่งถ่ายรถเมล์ครับบาทนี่ฝนตกครับ
Can you see my trousers?
Yeah what happened
Look.
Oh you get wet
Yeah, but it's raining inside now.
Where is it
In the outside, the garden.
You need to close the door didn't you
So you help.
No need to you bigger now
Why?
So this slow down a bit เบาลงแล้วครับบัดนี้เรียนหนีฝนลบฝนเหนื่อยแล้ว โอ้ลมลื่นขนาดเลยครับบัดนี้
It's not raining too much.
Yeah it's heavy rain
Huh?
It's heavy rain
I can't go outside.
Now you can't You stay inside the bed
Yeah.
Yeah Let's come to bus
A boat! Come pick up me. Go home.
What you go Nottingham
Yeah.
Go then
I got a number.
Yeah
62.
Yeah you need to run then
I can't run. It's raining. Get wet. Oh my god, heavy rain.
Oh look the lady She
Daddy, don't shoot me.
She don't care about rain She just walk in lady Come quickly
Daddy, stop.
Why
Stop say that.
So I think it stopped raining now
I need heavy rain. Look at my shelter.
Yeah You need to dry a bit
Yeah, but how?
Get changed I think
No, it's wet again.
You know
Daddy!
Not the bus
No, stop bus driving. It's raining. Right, stop now.
Well
Battery gone.
not yet I'm trying to catching a good picture
Nah. How about on my knee then?
No
No.
Your knees dirty
Excuse me.
Yep
The heavy rain come out. I clean it up. I'm not dirty. Daddy, the sibling can firm. You can sibling come down. Heavy rain.
Yeah
A little bit.
Now rain's gone
No, it's come out now. Can I stay here, Daddy?
Yeah you can Of course you can love
It's get wet.
You got your dinner yet
Yes.
What mommy cooking for you?
No, mommy ready. Barbecue craft.
Barbecue wrap. Oh,
That's it.
you lucky girl.
Uh-huh. Now can I go outside?
Oh, you see that old lady?
Daddy, do it, please.
She walk around with the heavy rain. She don't care.
Daddy, stop saying that. Stop it. This is the area.
No, she not. She be good lady.
No, she don't.
Right. I think it's stopping now.
No, see a bit more.
You can see the sky. It's a bit clear a bit.
No,
A bit brighter.
no.
Okay. Bye, Ren. See you next time.